Hi, today we're going to talk about the challenges involved in new implementations with software. Trying to improve your business or agency, trying to make things better, it's very daunting. There's a lot of complexities and challenges. We're going to hit on some of those, but we're also going to let you know about some things you can do to mitigate that, some good strategies for that.
So Jeff, one of the things we hear most is as you're in the middle of an implementation, your requirements, your needs, they're going to expand. They're going to explode, and if you don't have a plan in place to take care of those things as they evolve, your plan can go out the window. And so couple that with technology challenges, and adopting new technologies, we're always trying to advance what we're doing, but at the same time, that can be a really big challenge when implementing a new system.
Right, and then you have on top of that resource challenges, because technology is changing so fast. There's so much specialization these days that trying to find the right resources to implement your plan, whether it's your strategic plan, your technology plan, it's very difficult. It's very challenging.
And it's very competitive right now too. It's hard to find the right people. And once you get them on board, it's hard to manage them. If you don't have the management infrastructure and the system in place, just having developers on board is not going to fix the problem.
Right, yeah, the project management challenges, and then the risk management challenges, the compliance, the nature of compliance,
all the policies,
and security these days. So lots of challenges, obviously, when you're trying to come up with ways to make your business, your agency better. I mean, that's what it's all about, is you want improvement, you want things better. But with these hurdles, what do you do? What we have found is what works best is rather than trying to change everything all at once, going through a multi-year plan and implementations that it really can be a lot of risk, trying to take more of a small bites approach.
Mm-hmm. And that's a big part of our strategic plan when we put that together, is deciding what the most important parts are, prioritizing all of that, keeping the long-term goal in focus, but getting some quick wins, getting some adoption by your user base so you can start getting that feedback. And that's what that strategic plan is all about.
Yeah, and I think the key word you said there is goal. And it's not just a plan that you have all the steps laid out, but it really is trying to get your goal there, trying to get your vision of where are you trying to take your business or organization. Because the steps are going to change to get there as things evolve. But if you've got a good vision, then that's going to help keep everybody on the same page.
Not only in functionality, but also in technology. You have to have your goal and your plan for where you're going to take that technology as well, so that your foundation is good and you can build all this function on top of it.
Yeah, that's right. And then from there, we talked about say project management challenges, resource challenges. I think you have to have the collaboration lined out. You have to be streamlined with the way you do things. You have to have a good trusted partner that you know is going to be around for a while. If you're using a vendor that you don't want different vendors in and out the door all the time, you really need to develop that long-term strategy, both in-house and with whoever you might be using as a vendor.
And the framework needs to be in place too. Everybody has to know how this project is going to be measured and be incremented.
Yeah, exactly. So that's what we really see with trying to overcome these challenges with technology and with implementations and improve your business or agency, is taking that small bites approach, really just looking at where can you get the most bang for your buck, where can you fix the problems you have, where can you take advantage of opportunities.
So custom development doesn't have to be overwhelming. Take small bites and don't forget about the strategic plan. Follow Mainstream and keep up with us for more discussion on software topics.